One man saved over 100,000 lives. Then the world let him vanish. In the summer of 1944, a young Swedish diplomat named Raoul Wallenberg arrived alone in Nazi-occupied Budapest. He had no army, no weapons, just paper. He started printing fake Swedish passports and handing them to Hungarian Jews scheduled for deportation. The Nazis called them illegal. Wallenberg invented new legal arguments before they could keep up. When that failed, he bribed officials. When that failed, he walked up to moving deportation trains and physically pulled people off by hand. Over 100,000 people survived because of him. Then the Soviets liberated Budapest in January 1945 and immediately arrested him, suspecting he was an American spy. He was thrown into the Soviet prison system and never seen again. Sweden knew, and Sweden said almost nothing. Their trade relationship with the Soviet Union was worth more to them than one man's life. The hero who outran the Nazi machine could not outrun the silence of the country that sent him.